Okay, so good afternoon. Hello Kamlesh. So how are you and how days treating with you today?
Yeah, hello, ma'am. Preeti, ma'am. Very good afternoon. Actually, yeah, I recently, I can say the day was really nice and productive since morning, and we have tried to connect to each other, but finally,
Finally we
we
are
got chance
connected.
to connect to each other, right?
Yes, yes. So long time we are taking because I have also a little work, so that's why I want to do connect eagerly because if I'm not connected, then this session will be going next day.
Definitely, but definitely, because it's a technical issue we were facing. But
Right.
yeah, it will solve out already.
Yeah, that's a opportunity for us. Yeah, so let me discuss about
Okay,
the
so
first. First, we will introduce ourselves for our viewers.
yeah, definitely, why not?
So let start from
So
you.
should I start from my side?
Yes. You can start.
Okay, so my name is Kamlesh, and currently I'm speaking from Bangalore city. It's the capital of Karnataka. It is my workplace. And if I talk about my work, which I am a driver, I drive vehicle. Okay, so it is my profession along with bread and butter. And if I talk about my native place, which is Bhopal city, it is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. I reside there as a native place. And yeah, if I talk about my core of interest, I love to talk with people with English language, and along with I love to watch movies, whether those are Hollywood or Bollywood movies. But I love to watch, especially a new religion movie. I love to watch. So it's all about me.
Okay, so let's I introduce myself. A brief introduction to our viewers. So my name is Preeti. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Indore, and I am holding the degree of MBA. I am a mother of two kids as well, and kids are growing up. So I want to start my journey again. Before that, I was working as a financial advisor, and then I am working upon my skills, like communication skills. So simultaneously, I start my YouTube channel as well for my viewers, how we are connected to the people, how you can improve your skill, and I'm also improving my skills on the same way. So that is about a little brief introduction about me. Yeah.
Yeah, nice to hear about you, man.
Yeah.
So how is going on your practice about in English?
Yeah, my practice is going on good. Sometime I used a different kind of platform, like live conversation was there. It's a episode and platform. So whatever the conversation we are doing there, that will be uploaded on my channel as well. And other thing, like we are using some group also. Like there is a lots of people are coming and we are discussing about the topic. Sometime we are discussing about some different topic and taking some brainstorming topics. We are also taking like how to start how to you can your brainstorm. So we are doing that kind of way. Are improving, like nowadays I just add on a one thing to reading, and as well as like writing is not doing, but reading and shadow practicing I will start it soon. That is about me. And how
Yeah,
about
which
you?
is a yeah, almost. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, you are also doing prepare, like how you are improving your skills. Like I'm also improving on that way, and how you are doing.
Yeah, I'm improving as well. Actually, about my side, okay. So usually, I have started my journey to improve my English for last 1 year back. So earlier, I had not that much knowledge about in English. The reason behind it that I have completed about my 10th standards. So it's I believe that that is no, not that much qualification,
Yes.
but I was so passionate about to speak English, use English with people. So I had a desire and passion as well. So earlier I had not that much knowledge about in English, but uh, I was so eager. But recently, for last 1 year back, I have decided, okay, so have to be learn English, I have to be speak, and however I have started my journey. So since for last 1 year, since then to till now, I have been practicing with people, and I have many social media platform on our smartphone. So I utilize, for example, YouTube, Peer application, and I can say, yeah, ChatGPT. These are platforms which is so helpful to improve our English. And except we have to be give time to practice over there. So and along with I have been so much consistent about to practice on myself. On an average, I can say each and every days I spend at least 3 to 4 hours to practice about myself, to interact with people, and yeah, in this way I have been practicing. Okay, so it is all about my journey.
Yeah. So I would say like what will you I will suggest to the people like who want to learn that language. So first they have to start with the audio calls. Like I also used to audio calls before, not a live conversation, but it's not about my journey, not from now. Like before 2 year, 2 or 3 year back, I just start to improve my skills for the interview purpose. So that is why I just start to audio call. Some kind of platform was there in market, like in YouTube, another market also. So
Mm-hmm.
I just go the online and find out the some application was there, like how to get the audio calls, how to get the environment. Like actually people are not getting that kind of environment, so they can improve their skill. So that is why like I just find out one app, like this is the S Fluency app. This is the paid app, but before that I used a free app, free platform, because there is a chance of like if you are a female person, so you got a 15 minutes, like on the 3 year back, 3 year back, you if you are taking that platform, so there is a 30 or I think 20 minutes you are getting free. If you go for the subscription, then you are getting unlimited talk time there. So on that time, like 3 year back, I just used that platform for my improving skills. But after that I just working busy with my other work, like some freelancing work I was working. So I quit that my communication journey. But now I am not satisfied with that work. So I think of that I have to start my journey again to improving my skills. I want to polish my communication skills first. Then I will get better opportunity somewhere. Like maybe I can start any business. Maybe I can get opportunity in job purpose. So in that way, like I start to first I search it which platform where we can connect to the other country people. If you want to go for the internationally job, internationally business, if you do, so first you have to talk properly. You can deliberate your thought to others. It will be possible by the way to communication. That is the key point. You can say that is the key point wherever
Definitely,
you
definitely.
can connect to the other country people. So I find out a one platform, that is the episode. So I find out that platform, I connect to the people, that is also the free. Actually I'm finding a platform wherever we can connect it the free to the people. So that is why like I find that platform,
Okay.
then I connect to the people regularly. I just consistent sometimes, but sometimes I got some viewed group also. Yes, Fluency also I used before, but I used only free, not a paid version, because I don't think like I have to go for the paid version, because we are getting a sufficient time, because don't have a too much time, because kids are there at home. So when the kids are going to the school, so on that time I used utilize my time in that way. So like I used that platform, then somehow I tell now I've seen one videos of Sunita ma'am, Sunita Rawat ma'am. Actually, she is also creating a YouTube channel, and she is earning from the YouTube.
Good amount
So
of money.
yeah, good
Yeah.
money from the YouTube. So I think I consider myself I have to try that once. If I'm getting good opportunity, maybe its channel will be monetized. It will channel will be flourish. So it will be helpful for me. If not, then actually I'm taking a 2 months from my working period. So I think of that I have to start at least one. Like maybe it's a side hustle. It's not a full time working for me. Like it's a side hustle, because I have a 2 months only. So I
Definitely, at least we can spare. At least we can spare at least 1 to 2 hours in
yes,
our
yes,
day-to-day life. Okay, so
yes,
we can use our time over there to create content, to create
right,
videos.
right.
Okay, at least we can utilize in our day-to-day period, right?
Yeah,
At least we can
so
spare this much
because
time.
we learn some lots of things. If you want to improve your skills, so you just work upon different kind of thing. Like you know that like where I have to learn it. So you have to find out some new niches also. Like which field we have to learn. Now you are going to the school. So what type of words, what type of sentence we are using. Like you are going to the office, so you are using what kind of sentences, what kind of thoughts will required there. So that is thing like it's must for everyone. Yeah, so
It's
I.
all about the practice, man. Because of that
Yes.
word, okay, we are just no acquiring knowledge to create that content. Because somehow we are just considering we are a beginner, we are just learner, okay. Day by day, we just try to improve our knowledge about in English. So in
Right.
this way, that is the medium to acquire knowledge about to create that content.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so we can deep dive on the topic.
Yeah, man. So do you have any topic, please?
Yes,
Please
yes,
suggest.
yes, yes. So we can discuss about the education, how education is important in our life, why education is important in our life. So what would you say about that?
Yeah, education. I would say the education it is a important tool of being a human being. Okay, I can say the people educated. Okay, so they can easily survive in this era. Okay, so without education they can't survive properly. They can survive, but they can't survive efficient way. Okay, so it is really important in this era because without education, the people they can face many harder in their personal life and professional life as well. So it is really most important. So we can see in this era, okay. So because uneducated person they face many difficulties in their life because even they have to be face many kind of situation in their life, right? So and on that place, okay, the important the education they have work upon there, right? I can say if they have educated person, okay, so obviously they can easily can talk, they can communicate easily, politely talk, and they can easily understand many things about why because of the education, right? So it is really important if people have educated, so definitely they can survive easily.
Yeah, so I would say like education is a ever evolving journey. Like if you are doing a study, if you are educated, so you are getting some skills. You are disciplined in your life. You will be become a good journey. Like you are become
Mhm.
some whatever you want, whatever you achieve your goals. So you can achieve by the education. If you are not getting educated, so you can't achieve your goals, like your responsibility. You are not thinking about your responsibility as well to become a like education, like if you are educated any field, so you what like you can take the responsibility of your parents as well. If you are not educated, so how will you taking the responsibility? Like you can't enter the world as well. Like if you are educated, so you can enter the world and communicate to other country people. You can expand your business because you have to aware about that everything. If you have a good knowledge, like you are getting a good knowledge from the education. If you don't have a knowledge, so like you thinking of that how to survive the country, how to survive the world. Because nowadays era is that like if you are not educated, so you can't survive in the our world because everyone have using the like technical thing is coming. Like everyone is using nowadays smartphone. So if you are educated, so you can read it out else also. If you are not educated, so how will you read it out everything? So like you are also
Definitely.
like you are working somewhere, so like you know that what is the need of the education. If you are educated, so you can inculcate as well your child also. Without education
Definitely, definitely.
you can't upbringing your good child. Like you want to be you think of that like your child will be a good educated, good position. So for that like you have to be educated, and you can give the good education of your child as well. So like education is much good, discipline is also getting from the education, and good skills you are getting, and you can take the better decision in your life. You can get a good opportunity in your job field also, like if you are educated, so you can better opportunity in your life, and if you are educated, so you go anywhere, whatever, wherever you want, wherever you want to go there. So like education is must, it's a revolution of the our country. If you are educated, so you can revolution of our country. That is my point of view. Education is must
Definitely.
nowadays, not a nowadays, like everyone should be educated. Like if you want to live your life, like if you are educated, so you can immerse with yourself with other thing also. If you are not educated, so you think about the others, like how they are growing and what they are doing, because you can't growing yourself because you don't educated, you are not educated. That is why, that is my point of view about that. Yes.
Okay, yeah, man. I got it your point about the education.
Yeah, so can we discuss other topic? What quality of the good student? What quality should have a good student? Your voice is not
Sorry,
coming.
come again. I did not get it.
Yeah, yeah. What quality of a good student? Like what qualities
Am
should
I?
have a good student?
Okay, got it, man. Got it. The quality the students should have actually, being a student. Okay, so the student have should have quality about to talk politely and be disciplined, and the discipline which is really important about their personal life. Okay, so in all the places, whether we are living our house or at our schools or somewhere, if the people, the student, if they are following disciplines, okay, so definitely they can't face any issue. Okay, so on the other hand, I can say how to talk with people politely, how to respect of the elders, okay, and the kind of the things the student they follow. So definitely, whatever they have, whatever they want in their life, so definitely they can achieve easily. Okay, because of the discipline, because of the good manner, and all the things which is really important being a student's life. So yeah, so I can say these things are really important, which is if the student has, so definitely they can survive easily. Okay, so kind of the quality the student should have
Yeah,
in
right.
of my point of view.
Yeah, I would say like student have a good quality. First quality of the discipline. If you are a discipline, so you will get good opportunity. Like if you are disciplined, so you follow your days. Like how you are following, you can respect it of also. Like kids have a respectable, like a child have a respectable quality also. Like if you know that how to respect to elders, that is the quality we have a, like any student. If you are a student, like we can say about not about a student, like we are also a younger one, right? So we have to respect it to our elders one. So that quality should have, and curiosities are the also the must. Like if you are curiosity, so you can learn new things, like if you want to learn
Mhm.
anything, so you have to be curiosity you have, and confidence is must. If you have you have a confidence, so you can prove, like you can be stand up anywhere, like if you can face any challenges. If you are a confident, if you are not confident, so how will you face the challenges? Lots of challenges come in our life, like you will be cope up, that like you can cope with that challenges from your confidence. If you are not confident, so you can't cope up the challenges. That thing is, I think it's must for everyone. Like if you, and determination is the must. Like if you are a student, you are in any field, you are working somewhere, so that thing is happen with everyone. Determination you have, if you are determined for anything, so you can achieve anything whatever you want. I think that is my point of view about a good
Definitely.
student. Yeah. So
Yeah, it's all the points which is really helpful to become a good the students should have, and it is really useful with them, right?
right, right. So we would say about the how has education changed in the last few years.
Okay, how education changed the last
Last few
years?
years. Yeah.
last few years.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, obviously, as you can see, actually I'm running right now 34, 35 years. Okay, so the education field, which is I have changed so lot, and I had a experience. I had experience about. I used to go to schools at my academic years in my primary schools. So I have seen that I was used to attend my school classes in the third or fourth class at that period. Okay, so I have seen that. There was in schools, the schools, no, not the structure of the school, which was really poor. There is no strong buildings, and no, I can say not that much strong building, and there
Right.
was not I can say. Uh, not that much good infrastructure at that period.
Right.
And the education was there was less amount of the teachers were teaching of their student at the school earlier. And yeah, and at that period, okay, there was no any that much I can say resources about you that I can say not new technology about the blackboard or something. There was blackboard, but nowadays we can see nowadays we are using about the new boards,
Digital board.
digital boards we can say nowadays. Yeah. So these are the changes which has happened, which I have seen, and I can say there was lack of the resources we had earlier. About most of the students we belong to that rural area and backward area, I can say. So they didn't get opportunity to pursue their education because of the lack of the financial situation, lack of the resources, lack of the resources. Because of that, they didn't get that much
Right.
education because of that lacking of things, right? So I can say nowadays we can see in our surrounding we have many technology. We have right now we have digital platforms, social media, all the things which we utilize nowadays to get a content from the social media. Nowadays we have many technology, many resources. Because of that, we can use it or we can get it. We can get the information according to our interest, according to our need. So now I have earlier, if we are comparing about about the earlier period and right now, there is a huge difference, okay, which is changed a lot, okay. So I can say now we have good opportunity, so we have to be take advantages over there, and and all the technology things we have, all the social media we have, so we have to be take advantages to grow ourselves, right?
Right.
So I would say.
Yeah, so in my opinion, nowadays, like everything is changed. Earlier was the, like in our school, like everywhere you seen, education system is differently changed. In earlier, they are not using a digital board. We all knows that. Like nowadays, many people are sitting in one place, then they can see on the digital board everything whatever they want. No, like you seen, like in Bangalore city also, there is a, some technical thing is coming. Robot teachers is also coming. Have you heard that? I think so. Like robot
Oh,
teacher is was
yeah,
there of
I
the.
have seen.
Yes.
I saw on social media, right?
Yeah, so like a robot is coming and they are educated there, so there is no need of the teachers. Sometimes it's happened. We are putting all the thing on the robot, like they will inculcate the child. They can teach to the student from that way. And other thing is like some digital books and textbooks also coming. We are getting a lots of content on the online. Like if you want to learn anything, so you can go to the online and you can get the content from the youtubers as well. We can say about this language, every people are learning that language, but how they are learning, so they are learning from the youtube channel also. Like lots of youtubers are in the youtube, yeah, lots of youtubers in on the youtube, so they are creating a videos, conversational videos. So from that conversation they learn that how they are communicating to each other. So that way, like they are learning new things, new technology is coming. Like if you want anything, like you don't need to other, you have to ask the question, you tell me what is the meaning of that. First you go to the online and you can search it out also. So I think like era is differently changed nowadays.
Yeah, earlier we had, I can say, I have experience about earlier. If I had any doubt, okay, so except I need to discuss about the teachers. Earlier
Yes.
we had no any digital things or the social media platform. Except we have to be talk about with teachers and we can solve the questions and whatever we had issue and the doubts we can already talk with our teachers,
Right,
and
right.
along with we have books and all the things we have, but nowadays we can see, okay, so we have multiple options, okay, so we can
Yes.
utilize by ourselves. There's no need to depend upon the other people as well, okay, so nowadays we have kind of an era.
Right. Like every people, if you want anything, like so, you don't go outside. You have to learn. You can get everything in one platform, and YouTube and some knowledge like from the Chat GPT. Chat GPT nowadays, like everyone is using the Chat GPT for learning this language. Like I also learn that language from Chat GPT. Sometimes I know that like I'm doing wrong. I'm creating that, I am formatting that sentence wrong, so I just go to the Chat GTP and ask them like is it wrong or is it right, so that will be also correct, like no need of the teacher sometimes, like so it's happening like technology is also evolving everywhere. Like before that every teachers and student are using the dashboard, like student are using only the like a blackboard and pencil paper, but nowadays they are using the digital things, some computers and some other thing like tablet also they are using. Lots of thing is changing, like now education era we can say.
Yeah, man, I'm totally agree with you. And I think now we should wrap up our conversation. I think I have little bit
Okay,
burst.
okay, okay, so now it's a wonderful conversation with you, so we will catch you soon, and like for our viewers will see
Definitely, man,
how
it
we
was
learn
really.
that language and how education is important for everyone. Yeah, thank you so much for